first one of the lot is, and mother has repeatedly said this, love for learning. What I don't see in children is that there is no love for learning. We would do a particular homework, a question, because we have been asked to do. And then we will find ways of finishing it off as early as possible. Whether asking our parents or asking Google auntie, uncle, whatever it is, and that's it, we are done with it. But there is no genuine love for learning. Second, curiosity for life. And the best way to understand this is when you look at a toddler, right? So, 6 months, 5 months, 1 month, even 1-year-old child. If you were to observe, whenever you want to understand what curiosity is, do not look into dictionaries. Just go and watch the eyes of those little ones. वो जो pram में घूमते हैं, you would come across them in the lift or in the lawns or somewhere. Little toddlers, 1 year, 2 year, 10 months. Look at their eyes, out, curious to know. And as we grow old, 10, 12, even 12, 13, 14 के बाद से, and the more adult you are, beyond 20, 30, 40, you look into the eyes and there is nothing in it. So love for learning will be essentially followed by curiosity for life. Both are related, dependent. And third, knowing oneself. Understanding oneself as deeply as possible, as widely as possible. Just like you study something under the microscope in the labs, I personally do not think that there is anything which is so exciting as it is to look within, to go into the deepest layers of your personality, the pursuit of knowing oneself, of knowing the truth behind things. There is nothing so profound, nothing so interesting than that. So, if integral education does not end up triggering these three things in a child, then I can very surely say that it has been a waste of time. Yeah, something or the other one would gain, understand, or it was nice, so on and so forth. And knowing oneself, I think, is the most ignored of the curriculum anywhere. At best, what they will say is, know yourself as your personality. What are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? Whether I am a Scorpion, I'm a Virgo, I'm a so on and so forth. Oh, I like this, I like that. Oh, I am very stubborn. Oh, I am very open-minded. Oh, I am like this. This is my nature. Nothing beyond that. बस उतना ही है. And what have you known? You have known the unreal. You have not even touched slightest. There is, because not. Your education is British education. It's Western European education. It promotes personality, ego in you as a separate human being.